So it is laundry day, and for the first couple weeks I struggled bad because I got 2 baskets inside of the RV, and sometimes we got more, depends on the week. We have been having hikes and dust and all this stuff. I wanted to clean my hoodies and the kids stuff, and sometimes I ended with a 3rd bag of laundry. So I discovered a guy that gave me a good idea while we were in Lake Havasu, and I'm gonna show you guys what it was his idea, and I'm not gonna change it for nothing. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna show you now. So before becoming a full-time RVer, I got this wagon, and it was one of the items that I told Travis that I wasn't going to leave behind. So what I do is this. So today I only have 2 baskets of laundry, but I am still gonna do it this way because save me some time and I don't have to work hard for this. So what I do, I get my little wagon open, I get my basket, and I am ready to roll, baby. I am so ready to roll. I don't have to do extra work, just pushing my wagon.